Hello everyone, today I'm going to film a video where I show you an updated room tour. Basically I've been doing a lot of decoration in the past couple of months because I've been at home over the summer and I just wanted to finish up my room, and a lot has changed since I last did my room tour. I mentioned that I wanted to paint my walls but I didn't get around to doing it. Now I did, so I painted all my walls white, which I'm so happy about. It turned out so great. Then I also changed out my curtains because the old curtains were purple as well, and yeah, my room overall just had way too purple and way more like a teen's room rather than I guess like a 20-year-old room, which I turned 20 this year. It's a bit upsetting. Moving on from that, I just bought a couple of things and I got a new rug, which is lovely, and I've wanted a new rug for the longest time, and that arrived just a couple of days ago, hence why I'm filming this video now, because I feel like my room's finally come together. I'm very happy with what it looks like right now. So yeah, let's just get into the video so I can actually show you what I did. Coming into my room, this is what you see. And there are quite a few changes. Let's just start with the most obvious one. I painted this entire wall white. It was purple before, and I painted this wall back there, and it just opens up the room so much more. I just really like the way it looks right now. This orange thing at my window is annoying me, but the thing is I can't really change that. And the next change are these three pictures. I drew them myself. I drew the one on the right and the one on the left and the one in the middle my sister drew. Moving on from the pictures, I then changed up this hanging rail. Originally it was right here vertically. It was blocking the view from my bed to the window a little bit. I just wanted to look out, get as much sunlight in as I possibly could. So now this is just here. I'm not sure if I 100% like that look, because I usually like when things are behind closed doors. I like the very sleek look. Then I hung this little heart right here just because I thought it looked really cute. Underneath the rail I've got just a couple of shoes. These are just my high heels. I've just put them there. I think it looks really nice underneath the rail. Moving on from the rail, the next thing I changed were these curtains, and they were originally purple as well. I just bought them from Ikea. I believe they were like 20 or 30 euros. They're very, very thin though. Yeah, that's the only thing. They're not like the darkest blinds, I guess, but I just love how they look. They make the room so bright. Moving on from the curtain, my auntie made me this little bunny, so it's just sitting right here, and I think it's so cute. The next thing I changed are these pictures up here. Moving on to my vanity, I've just put a lot of stuff on here that I had in England and I'm not sure if I'm going to take with me again, but for now it's just there. I really love these mugs. Actually I might take them with me just to drink out of them. I used to keep my brushes in there. Yeah, they're very pretty mugs. That's what my vanity looks like at the moment. My last purchase is this rug. I always wanted to have a rug for this corner of the room, and I feel like it fits it really nice because I don't have a lot of colour in my room and I kind of want it to be white, gold and pink toned. I was searching for a rug for the longest time and I could not find a really nice one, and so I'm so happy that I found this one, and this one is from H&M Home. I'll link it below because you can still buy it. I just bought it the other day and I feel like it's so pretty. Like all the details on it are so pretty. I left the tag on because I wanted to show you that this rug is made out of recycled cotton, which I really like their initiative of doing stuff like this, but I obviously haven't done a lot of research, so I don't know how exactly they do it. And then there's a couple of more bits. I just moved this little poof around and I moved it here so I can put my snacks, if I want to have any snacks, on there, on my laptop. But I have a little laptop stand as well. This is from Ikea. I'm not sure if they still have it. And then I made myself a pillowcase because I'm getting more into sewing. This is an Ikea fabric. I just made this myself. Then I bought pink pillowcases. I really like the look of them, and they were so cheap. I believe they were like €3 or something for 2 of them. So yeah, that's all the updates from my room. I really love how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. There's not a lot more I want to do to this room. I think it's nearly done in my opinion. Yeah, I really like it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.